G'day DIYers, it's Chriso. What I'm doing now is I'd like to show you how I get my niche height. Like it's not rocket science. I'm setting my strip drain on the slab here. I'm going to be screeding it. Say that's my tile. My tile is going to be flush like that, and it's going to be up here like this. Going from the old tiles down to there, it's pretty much level, so I've got to bring this tiled floor up. If you can see that bubble, I need to bring it up probably well, a good 10 mil. What I'm doing is this is going to be the width of my shower, and there's going to be a shower piece of glass to here, so you walk in there, no door, and with it all sloping like that, then I'll go from nothing like that to there, and that'll give me my slope. I'm going to be out here, the strip drain is going to be in the middle there, so I'll have a piece tilting up. I'll show you when I get there. But I need fall from a strip drain, and that is, with it sitting on the ground like that, I bring my floor up here, I screed all that there where the bath was flat. We're laughing. Going back to getting the height of my niche, this is how I do it. I'm laying my strip drain on the floor like that. My tiles are 1200, so I go in multiples. My tiles are 300. I need to come up 1200 because my multiples are 300. So 1200 is there. Come down, what's that, 35 mil, because I want to have a bottom plate, so I come down 35 mil. That's where I cut my stud, but come down a little bit. That's allowing for the sheet. Allow a little bit more, come down a little bit more, so that little bit more is 5 or 7 mil. So all up, I've come up off my strip drain to 1200, and then I'll work back down my bottom plate, my cement sheet, and a little bit for luck. So all up is 55 mil. That is my height. So I cut through there and there, I level it across through there. So I'm going up off that. I want to make it 300, my niche height, allow a little bit for luck. That's off my, where's the piece of timber? I haven't got any here, I've chucked it all out. Okay, so that's my finished height plus the cement sheet. I go up 300, give it a little bit more, say 315. That there is the height of my niche. So my whole shower tiling comes up, bump, 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 hits there. It's all lining through. I'm up above slightly more than my 300 tile, and we're laughing. Gives me just a little bit of play. So those two marks. But then I allow for my top plate, which is 35, so go up 35 there. I nearly stuffed that up, but a little voice said, "Hey Chriso, you've forgotten your top plate." That there that I've crossed out is my finished. That's where the bottom of my plate will be, but I've got to cut through that line. And we're laughing. So that is the mark there, and that is the mark there. I put my bottom plate on top of the stud and nail the bottom plate or a top plate through there. I don't have to make it that wide, but it's cool. Why yeah, why not make it that width? That's overdoing it a bit, I think. I might just make it a little bit smaller. Okay, we'll see you soon. Press that subscribe button. Thanks for supporting my channel. We'll see you soon. It's Chriso signing off. Hooroo!